Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to convert your text into speech. So it is very easy, but the question is why we will use this text to speech. uh, Maybe you want your computer to speech or bedtime story, and also we can use on the top of the video. So there are many different reasons that we just wanted to use this text to speech services. This is also called TTS. So we have three applications that we can use for text to speech. All three are free. You don't need to pay anything for these applications. First of all, we will use the Windows pre-installed applications, OneNote and voice recorder, which is available within the Windows 10. You do not need to install from any third-party website. Okay, so OneNote is available on the Microsoft Store. You can search OneNote and you will have this application. This application is free and you have to just click on install button and it will be installed into your computer. So as you can see, OneNote for Windows 10 is open and I have some text right here. So this is very simple. Click on the view button, immersive reader. Okay, so the text is here and we have play button as well. Click on the
What is a
play button.
computer? Simple definition. A computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulates it for some result based on a program, software.
Okay, so as you can see, the speech is working fine. We have another option. We can control the voice speed as well as we have voice selection, male or female, just like this.
Software or sequence.
Okay, so we have text size, we have increasing space option, font and background, theme as well. In this option we have this. As you can see, all my text is in the default black font. Okay, so we have another option. We can focus on the line by line or single line, three line and the whole paragraph. Okay, so we have another option, choose a language, so we can translate in many other languages. Okay, so we have speech ready. We need a voice recorder, so I can open voice recorder. Let me set the screens, oh, like this. Oh, anyways, let me open voice recorder. This is my voice recorder and now I have two screens, so you will have better view. I will click on the immersive screen again, so I have both screens in front of me. I will click on the record button and
What is a computer? Simple definition. A computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulates it for some result based on a program, software, or sequence of instructions on how the data is to be processed.
okay, so the recording is completed. Record button and play.
What is a computer? Simple definition. A computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulates it for some result based on a program, software, or sequence of.
So this is available into your computer. I can open the location file. Okay, so this is the pre-installed Windows 10 operating system applications. So as I have told you that we have two more applications which we can use. One of them is Audacity This is also a recording application where you can record your voices, and then we will have many other options which are very useful. As you can see, I have noise in my background, so you can remove the noise. Okay, so let's record in that application. Press on the record button and
Processed.
play.
What is a computer's simple definition? A computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulates it for some result based on a program, software, or sequence of instructions on how the data is to be processed.
Okay, I have recording the record button and play.
What is a computer's simple definition? A computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digital.
You can save as your project, or you can export as MP3 file. So this is Audacity, and you can download it from the website Audacity team.org. It is free. You don't need to pay anything. You can download it from this website. So I have another application. This is called Balabolka. Okay, so this application will perform both tasks within one application, and it has many other services that you can use as you need. Okay, I can copy my text from this application and paste it right here. Once I will click on
A computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulates it for some result based on a program, software.
Okay, as you can see, I have text and speech within this application, but recording is available as well. I can save my audio file into my computer, so you will be able to listen that voice. Okay, so I have another very useful option within the tool button. This is the use online TTS service. TTS means text to speech service. Once I will click on this TTS services, I will paste my text here as well. I can set the file path where my recording will be saved. Okay, so I have to choose one of these services. You can choose any one of them. Let's choose this one. Okay, so I have text, file location, voice within the service, and click on the save button. It will take a little bit time, depends on your text length. Okay, it's recording completed, so I can listen the recording
A
from here.
computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulates it for some result based on a program, software, or sequence of instructions.
So guys, this is all for today. Okay, so please like, subscribe my channel, so I will share more interesting videos for you. Thank you so much.